Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein, eXp Realty, coming to you live in Palm Bay. Before we go any further, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe and like button so that you can see plenty of videos all around the Space Coast of home walkthroughs, of parks, things to do, events going on. And there's also some videos on there with some recipes for your new home once you get it. But all right, folks, we're going to dive right in. We are at 4156 Catgrass here in Palm Bay, and we are in an over 55 community right here. So we are in a gated community, amazing pool in this community. This is one of the bathrooms. We do have the tub shower combo here. And of course, we've got the sink. And nice deep closet. We do have carpet in the bedroom, and we have tile through here. Now this is an awesome office area, extra sitting area, or a third bedroom if you happen to need a third bedroom. You could pop an armoire in here and put some shades on the doors. We have a little coffee bar area or mail area here, whatever your preference is. And of course, another closet. And then the AC was over there. See if I can find a light in here and we can turn this on. Look at this amazing floor, all painted and looking gorgeous. They have some racks that they put in up there, so you can put some shelving up there. And as we go around to the living room area here, you've got your dining living room combo, great open concept, granite countertops. Look at these amazing cabinets you have here. And look at all this space, folks. You can see all the way back to the front door there, but tons and tons of room for you here. And we're gonna jump into the primary bedroom in one moment. We do have our laundry room here. So washer dryer hookups, cabinets there, which are amazing. Shelf on the other side, nice big room. And then we go into the primary, which is a great size primary bedroom. Plenty of space in here and gorgeous view of the backyard, which is completely fenced. But best feature, look at this. We got one huge walk-in closet here. And then as we go into the primary bedroom, you're going to get a bonus in here. We've got our normal closet for all of our linen. Gorgeous light up fog mirror. Lots of gorgeous cabinets. Gorgeous toilet room. Nothing exciting there. But look at the shower. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look, bonus, a second huge walk-in closet. Like I'm in the closet, folks. Lots and lots of space in here. So if you've got lots of stuff, the storage in this place is amazing. And you don't have to share a closet with your significant other. You get one all to yourself. So view of that nice counter space. You each get your own sink, huge shower, and let's cruise on outside, folks. Back to this kitchen. Maybe we'll do a little deeper dive into the kitchen because I probably scanned through here a little bit quickly. We do have some gorgeous cabinets, microwave, stove, dishwasher, countertops. Of course, everybody likes to look under the sink, so let's do it. Got our disposal. Do need a fridge with this one, folks. But look at this pantry. Huge pantry. Lots of space in the pantry. Maybe I should put my keys down so we don't keep dropping them. Give you a view of this side while we get this door open. And go out into this huge patio area. Plenty of space to sit out here. And folks, if you're up north, guess what? It is the end of October. And believe me, if I could have shorts and a t-shirt on to be working, I'd definitely be wearing them. But the weather here is amazing. Let's see if I can figure out the door. It may or may not happen. You may be stuck looking at this huge yard with me this way, but it is completely fenced all the way around. Plenty of space for a pool if you wanted to put a pool in. You don't have anybody behind you back there, as you can see all the trees. You do have somebody on that side, but you're on a corner lot, so nobody on the other side also. Perfect for the doggies to run around. Cruise back inside. Anyway, it's a gorgeous sunny day. You can see that blue sky up there. This is not AI. This is like my cell phone that I'm walking around with. So gorgeous sunny day here in Palm Bay, Florida. If you would like to see 4156 catgrass, you can call me, Margaret Klein, at 321-480-7662. Or if you're already working with an agent, please feel free to give them a call and say, hey, I want to see 4156 catgrass. It looks amazing. Again, over 55 community. It is gated. At the front of the complex, there is an amazing pool. 2 designated bedrooms, yet a third one that can be either an office or a bedroom. Nice vinyl fencing. Amazing little fenced in or screened in area here at the front by the front door. And as you can see, I was not kidding. We are on a corner lot there. We do have pavers in the driveway. Gorgeous landscaping all the way around. Super, super quiet area. So folks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to come along on some more tours with me. And Margaret Klein signing off. You have an amazing day. Bye-bye.